Alright, I am inside Hobby Lobby, and look right here, you guys. You know, they always have the front so decorative. You have everything mom, mama, mom mug, mom, I love you. Oh, look at that, love at first sight. That's actually really cute. Mom of the year, the mini cap, and then more mama. Also have a dog mom, can't forget about those. But this one caught my eye. So you know how in the different location I said we didn't have any bedding? Okay, I'm finding bedding here in this location. So maybe we could find some, like they have it like dorm, sweet dorm. This back pillow one. It's a pillow headboard, which is going to be $75.99. Okay, so I'm hearing different opinions online. A lot of people say they just buy like the pillow headboard. Some bring their own headboard. I mean, I don't know. I feel like the pillow one should be fine, but hey, who knows? The shower curtain. Okay, and these little throws, which are 15. So maybe we could find dorm stuff. Oh my gosh. And then of course, you know, 4th of July, Memorial Day, tons of fun stuff. The eagle. All right, I'm in. Okay, you know, up front they always have these fun things like Winnie the Pooh, Minecraft. These are all nightlight, air freshener, delight, bag charms, key charms. Oh, this little duck one is actually kind of cute. That's $5.99. Little weenie dog. Hey, that's adorable. Dog mom, cat mom, can't forget. Those are 4. Well, I didn't know they have so many. Well, you know, each location's different, so. A little hair stuff over here. Butterfly, Hello Kitty. These are the bows, but they do tie. They're not clip-on. If you want clip-on, they do have them too. They're like $1.29. Okay, then here's all the 4th of July or Memorial Day. God bless America. Not on a discount yet, but they are fully stocked. I did do a video, like a tiny video on it. These are 5. Oh, the vintage. I love the vintage. These are $2.50. They're just so stinking cute. I love the vintage. And I say bring back Halloween. I don't know what the whole deal is. I do know it's like Hobby Lobby, but
they had the best Halloween.
They didn't care before, yeah. But now they care, you know what I mean?
Their Halloween was the best.
But I like their little vintage stuff. Look at these cute doggies. Look at his little hat. Freedom on the cow one. Then America. I don't think I've seen that one. Reminds me of the Chick-fil-A cow, 10. And of course you can't forget your Snoopy. These are 15. And the cow on top is $12.99 if you want to decorate your kitchen. And more of these throws are 17. You know what? They have these throws in Sam's Club. They're cheaper. Those are cheaper in Sam's Club. And then 27. Look at this cute little guys. He weighted. They are weighted. It's a cute little dog one. They have a panda bear. He's very soft. He's light weighted. I say this is like a 1.5 pound.
I feel like this is as close as I'm gonna get to.
He's cute, right? He's cute. And they have the cat one. Oh, here's another one over here. These more little doggies.
CSF in Retro 4, please. CSF Retro 4, thank you.
And you know, all the fun summer stuff is 40% off, which is great for the end of the school year. You know how normally you have like a big party for little children, you know, to bring the big bucket of Otter Pops and popsicles. You have Gatorade, you have bubbles, you have water balloons, which actually you're not allowed to use water balloons anymore. These solar tulips are $2.99. My gosh, look at that lizard chameleon guy. He's actually kind of cute. $11.99. You also have the cat one. Oh look, they have avocado. You have avocado, watermelon, strawberry, pineapple, and cherry. Maybe an apple. They're 10. And you know, 40% off. Reminds me of Bug's Life. These little mini ones, 7, and then take 40% off. I cherries you. Oh, these are fun for children. Do they light up? Oh, they do. They blink. Okay. Some macrame. I haven't seen macrame pop up in TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Only here and there. I'm still waiting. You know, macrame is like my favorite. I haven't seen that frog one. He's cute. Okay, they're cute too. Okay, have you seen the duck? Has like feet. Look at the feet. It is backwards. Kind of funny. Here we go. Here's one right here. $12.99. So it makes it $7.80 pretty much. The little birdie. Yeah, right here.
It'll drive me crazy.
Oh, the flamingo one has legs as well. The rock one's 17. One with their little rooster. I don't think I've seen this pot though. Looks like corn on the cob. Let's see, $10.99 and the corn on the cob. It's kind of funny. Corn on the cob. Be kind.
It's big. It's down on the bottom shelf in the bucket.
The mermaid. Little scooter one's kind of cute. Oh, the little pig with glasses. Yeah, he's adorable. Okay, so I found the dorm room stuff. I'm still gonna look for bedding, but they're setting up the aisle here. So you're gonna have rugs, back pillows, and probably more of those pillows we saw. So I'll just come back when that's filled in. What did you find? Oh, Green Army Men.
Aren't those cool?
That's funny. I don't remember that, like, Sheriff Bear?
Those are neat.
Okay, just a tad. She's setting up over there. Let's see, $23 on the pillows. So if you're wanting a theme, I do kind of like this girly theme. I don't know, but you know, it's not my room. We have the shower curtains, which are 17 with the bows. This is a liner. So if you have a room with your own private bathroom, that could work, you know. And a little bit of wall art. Yeah, I want to see the blankets, but no blankets so far. Guess it just depends on your Hobby Lobby. Also, you guys, if you're doing like a bed rising, if you want to raise them, I just went on a tour and the lady did inform me. She said a lot of people do it themselves, but they always mess up somehow and something breaks, like it didn't like correctly fit. But if you call ahead, depending on your school, you could call ahead, I didn't know, and they will do it for you. They already have it like done for you if you want to raise your bed. Look at the little canoe. This is so cute. These are 5. You can mushroom. I swear I just saw that head move. 10.
I think it's on the string.
Oh, is that broken? That's broken. Oh no. And they have a snake one. Oh, look at the shark. This is kind of cool. They're gonna be $8.99. Ooh, and you know what? If you're homeschooling, you guys, we're perfect. Paint the solar system. How much is it? Don't see a price on it. $8.50. So the both might be $8.50, but this is perfect if you're homeschooling. Here's a puzzle. You can make your own puzzle too. These are 5. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. Oh my god. Bigfoot crossing. Homeschooling is not for the weak. It depends what kind of homeschooling you're doing. If you're doing traditional, that's pretty hard. But you know, there's a lot of public homeschools that are online. And I know a lot of people do frown on homeschooling. There is nothing wrong. And a lot of people do homeschooling for personal reasons. Some kids get sick more, like if they have like an autoimmune problem, or you know, just kids who generally just don't sit well in a classroom. But both my kids, well, they were public and homeschool. Right now, my senior, she's doing homeschool online. I mean, she went to regular high school, but I told you that she has slipping rib syndrome. So there's some days where she could not just get up because the medicine knocks you out, and you can't always show up to class like at 10 and you miss like your first period, you know, you fall behind. But it was fine for her because she also has a job, and she is taking college courses too on the side, so she's like getting ahead. See, there's so many benefits to like a homeschooling. Okay, I'm trying to look for bedding, but we have a lot of t-shirts and sweaters here. They're going to be 20% off. These are 10. They're kind of cute. $20.99. They have these at Home Goods too. We've been finding them. There's like a greenhouse one for $21. Wow, that's actually really cool. It's like a pretty good hobby if you're very into this. Look at that.
In that one. Yeah.
You definitely need patience and the time, but that looks really cool, right?
Looks neat.
Miniature toilet. Those are 10 on top. Make sure I don't run into anybody. That dog's cute. Little dashboard dog. Then we have all the gaming stuff. Yeah, there's tons of gaming. I know you can find this in Burlington and in Ross. But these are always 40% off. Let me see. Zelda is 24. Well, 25 rounding. These are 10 in Ross, so they are cheaper. I like how they have the neon light now. The one with the bow is kind of cute. Okay, they have this right now in Ross. $5.99 here, maybe about the same price. Also comes in pink and blue. Now everyone says these are for pills. Some are saying for a ring. I mean, whatever you want, I guess. Some are $11.99. I mean, that's kind of cool. Look at the duck one. I mean, you just need, I think you only fit like one or two tiny pills. The little Chihuahua one, $11.99. It's cute. And the piggy one. And the guitar one's neat too. The cookie jars. Okay, those are cute. I haven't seen those. Okay, still haven't found any bedding. So, again, they're putting up dorm stuff, so I might have to wait like a couple more days. Even though I feel like it's kind of early to look at dorm stuff, like really early, because we're still in school. I hate when, I know stores push things out for a reason, but when they do that, I'm like, damn, it's almost over. Summer's almost over. You know what I mean? Alright, I feel like this might do it. Children's decor. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for me. Kind of like a simple, casual walkthrough. Thank you so much for joining me in all these walkthroughs, and I will see all of you in the next one.